Gold and silver futures continued their historic rally as gold rose to an all-time high of $4,555 an ounce on escalating tensions between the US and Venezuela, as well as expectations for more US interest rate cuts. Now, gold futures have risen more than 70% this year, and silver futures have risen over 150% this year, with the best trek of performance since 1979. The rally in the precious metals has been underpinned by elevated central bank purchases and broadening investor demand. Now, if you look at the interest rate cut expectations from the CME's FedWatch Tool, you look at the January 28th meeting, those expectations have been declining as markets now anticipate a 13.3% likelihood that the Fed will cut rates 25 basis points to a range of 3.25% to 3.5% at its January meeting. You look at the March meeting, it's closer to a 40% chance. Now, looking at some of the outside industrial markets, you got copper prices breaking out and extending its December rally up over 36% this year and breaking out over a recent resistance point of $5.50 per pound on fears of a tightening global market in 2026. It's been a series of major mine outages. The threat of US import tariffs have really poured that metal back into the country. Demand for copper continues to grow with the massive quantities required to build out energy grids, power grids, energy infrastructure, and really the growing needs to power the artificial intelligence data centers. Now, if you look at platinum, that also hit a record high here, with January platinum futures hitting that $2,395.60 per ounce, largely due to those limited supplies and high borrowing costs. It's seen 10 straight sessions of gains, marking its longest winning streak since 2017 and rising over 150% this year. The surge is really happening as indications that the market tightening, specifically overseas, are leading to banks looking to store platinum in the United States as a safeguard against possible tariffs. The country has over 600,000 ounces of platinum held in U.S. warehouses at a figure much higher than usual as traders await the results of Washington's Section 232 investigation, which might lead to tariffs or trade restrictions on that metal. Now, if you look at the gold-silver ratio, that has fallen to 62-1 and the lowest level since June of 2014 when gold was priced at about $1,300 an ounce and silver futures trading at $20 an ounce. So this historic rally in the precious metals has taken place all through 2025, and we'll look to see what 2026 is going to bring.